snappers, seriously. Got something, I think. It's small. Yeah, it's small. Whiting. Okay. For the whiting. Get it somewhere. Yeah, I think it is. Look at all those garfish down there. Can't catch one of them. Anyway, I'm not chasing gars for the moment. Just whatever's on this line. Feels reasonable. It could be just feral. Yeah, decent sized brim. Come on, gars, out of the way. Look at you fucking greedy sods chasing everything. Unbelievable. There we go. What size brim? Where we going? Oh, brim. Angling the other fucking line. Damn it. Oh, it's a snapper. Bloody snappers. Snapper time. Yep. Oh, damn it, got off. Oh, no! Decent brim. Pretty slow today, but two brim. Pretty slow today, really. There we go. There's another one, which is better than nothing. Nothing else. What is it though? It's pretty big. Typical snappers.